As summer bids farewell, LaSallians end it with a bang. The Summer Splash of University of St. LaSalle perfectly puts the summer vibe for students who played under the sun as one LaSallian community. Summer enrollees gathered at Nazareth Activity Hub last May 4 to take part in the annual summer party. The event, which was organized by the university student government, had a roster of activities prepared. UNLog College of Business and Accountancy dominated the competition and earned the bragging rights as Summer Splash 2018 champions. The partygoers brought home one last memory as they culminated the day with Paradise, a foam party. Students left with smiles plastered on their faces as one summer fades into memory to last for a lifetime.